Good morning, traders. This is Nick Mastandrea with Market Tea Leaves here to bring you our daily market bias video for Monday, November 18th. It's approximately 20 after 5 a.m. on the East Coast. If we were to take a look at the overnight session in Asia, Asia closed mainly to the high side, with the exception of the Japanese Nikkei exchange. This is possibly as a follow-through from what happened on Friday in the U.S. markets. Currently in Europe right now, as it stands, Europe is trading fractionally higher. It was a bit lower earlier today, but is now starting to trade a bit higher. Now we're going to take a look at more correlation as it stands. Currencies in terms of the US dollar, trading down. It's been trading down pretty much all morning long. Energies in terms of crude, is also trading lower. There's no correlation between the US dollar and crude as of this writing. Financials in terms of the bonds, they're trading higher. They've been trading higher all morning long. The indices in terms of the S&P, NASDAQ, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average is starting to trade higher. Metals, however, is trading lower. It's been trading lower pretty much all morning long. Now, in terms of economic news that we have on the docket for the U.S. markets today, we do have long-term purchases out at 9 a.m. We have the NABU Housing Market Index out at 10 a.m. This is a definite market mover. And we have an FOMC member speaking at 12:15 this afternoon. All in all, our bias is neutral. And I have to profess, this has never really happened. This is going to be about the third day in a row that we've maintained a neutral bias, but I'm going to explain to you the reason why. What the markets have going for it right now is a lower US dollar. That's obviously very bullish for the markets, bullish for the indices. However, the issue is the bonds. The bonds are trading higher. They've been trading higher all morning long. And just now ticked up a little bit. This is not bullish for the markets. The other aspect that comes to mind and comes to play is the metals. If the metals are trading higher, I'd say our bias would be to the upside. However, it is not. So basically, we are maintaining a neutral bias, which in essence means the market can go in any direction today. This is something to keep in mind if trading. The market mover, in my opinion, is going to be the NABU Housing Market Index. But rest assured, if we have bad economic news, the market is probably going to go up, because currently right now there's the idea that if we have bad economic news, the Fed won't taper, and if the Fed won't taper, the market will go up, because it means a continuous and constant flow of easy money into the markets. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything can happen in a volatile market, and this market has proven itself to be quite volatile. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.